Hi. Today a client told me that he couldn't add me in his Google Analytics. How to add a user in Google Analytics? I'm Dopstart, digital marketer, and today we will see how to add a user in Google Analytics.
Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add users to your Google Analytics account step by step. Whether you're a website owner or a digital marketer, giving access to others can be essential for teamwork. First, head over to analytics.google.com and log into your Google Analytics account. Make sure you have admin level access, as only users with admin rights can add or manage users. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left of the screen and click on the admin button. This will display your admin panel, where you can manage all settings related to your account, your property, and more. Now, select the account or property where you'd like to add a new user. Remember, the account level grants the user access to the entire account. The property level grants access only to the single property, as shown above. Next, click on Account Access Management or Property Access Management. Here, you'll see a list of all the users who currently have access. To add a new user, click on the blue plus sign in the top right corner and select Add Users. In the pop-up window, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Now it's time to assign permissions. You can choose between different access levels, such as Administrator, Editor, Marketer, Analyst, Viewer. Finally, hit Add, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Google Analytics account. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more how-to guides.